In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an event in Google Calendar. If you ever need to reuse an existing event instead of creating a brand new one from scratch, Google Calendar makes that really easy. Duplicating an event is especially helpful when you have meetings, reminders, or appointments that are almost the same, but need to happen on a different day or at a different time. This saves time and also helps you avoid missing important details from the original event. To get started, open Google Calendar and find the event you want to copy. Once you see it on your calendar, click directly on the event to open its preview. This gives you access to a few quick options without having to rebuild the event manually. Next, look toward the top right corner of the event window and click the three dots to open the options menu. This menu includes additional actions for managing the event. From that list, select Duplicate. As soon as you do that, Google Calendar creates a copy of the original event and opens it in edit mode. Now that the duplicate is open, you can make any needed changes before saving it. The most common update here is the date or time, since the goal is usually to create a similar event for a new schedule. Adjust those details as needed so the copied event fits your plans. This is a good moment to quickly review the event information as well, just to make sure everything looks right before you finalize it. When you're ready, click Save. Google Calendar will then add the duplicated event to your calendar with the updated details. That's it. Your copied event is now created and ready to go. A helpful tip to keep in mind is that duplicating an event is a great way to preserve things like the title, description, location, and other event settings without having to re-enter them. It's one of the fastest ways to stay organized when you're scheduling similar events repeatedly. So whenever you need to create a new event based on an existing one, just click the event, open the three-dot options menu, choose Duplicate, update the date or time if needed, and save it. It's a simple feature, but it can make managing your calendar much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you work faster in Google Calendar.